All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to run through this real quick here. What we've got, I use ModStudio2 version 2020.07. If you're not using that version, your UI might look a little bit different, and you might have to modify this lesson a little bit to adapt to your version. All right, I'm going to open an existing project that I've been working on just so we have everything already filled out in front of us. All right, we started out, we selected what we wanted to create, which was a skin. Well, first we said we were making a new project, which creates the manifest. In my manifest, I put the name, blah, blah, blah. It's a paint job. It's for version 1.39 point asterisk. Will allow it to be suitable for any update of 1.39. Now, when they switch to 1.40, that may mess some things up. But this will work for any version of 1.39, whether it be .797 or .032 or whatever. Moving on, got my icon I created, and there's an information button up here if you happen to not make it the right size. This information button will tell you that it is supposed to be 276 by 162. Filled in my text area explaining what this is. And of course, when we added template, we selected the mod template for a simple truck skin. Now, this is where you want to add your truck that you're working on. And I know there's some tutorials out there that say, oh, you can select any truck you want out of here because you're just creating a skin and it just depends on what truck you put it on. Well, I don't know about all that. Anyway, you're going to want to add a truck. So I already have my Western Star in here, but I'm going to go ahead for the benefit of this short demonstration. I'm going to say that it's not in here. I'll pretend it's not in here. And what we want to do is say we want to load it from the mod. So this will work for just about any truck. I know if it's a Ruta truck, you have to use the, I don't know, it's like the open source version of it or whatever. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the latest version of this project. And there it pops up. I'm going to save it. Now, I've already saved it before, but I'll do it again just for the benefit of you watching here. Now we've added it, so it should show up in this list. If it doesn't, close this window. If it's not down here, open it back up. Make sure it's there. Sometimes I have to go to the next tab and come back and then it appears. Anyway, I've got my 5700 here. I'm going to check the Legacy Sleeper because that's what this skin is for. Don't think it'll work on any other version. I've named it. This is all about the skin right here. Set your price, unlock level. Now I always unlock the base color even though I turn it all the way to white. I unlock that because I don't want it locked in on white. I want to be able to change it. We go to our next tab is image. Now we've created this in paint.net and we've saved it as a .dds file. That's where you put this in. That's your truck skin. Your icon, that one is 256 by 64. Metallic options. This is where you want to change the look of your truck overall by being able to select the different shades of like light and shadow and all that, flake color and all that. I don't mess with any of this. All I do is check that box, enable metallic color. I don't mess with the mask options. I don't know anything about that. We're going to go back here and make sure that we still have Legacy Sleeper selected. We're going to go in and we're going to save this project, and I have to find where I keep this stuff saved because I've already saved this once. I don't want to do it again. I'll just overwrite that. Now, I've had issues in the past with export failing, and that's because I wasn't hitting save as first. Now I'm going to export it, and I already have this, but we're going to do it again. Currently exporting, and it's done. We're going to show it in the folder. We are going to select and right click and copy. Going to go to Documents, American Truck Simulator, Mods. We're going to drop it in here, and there you go. Done deal. Now we'll close these windows and we will pull up American Truck Simulator, and I'm going to forewarn you right now, I don't have a big processor on this particular machine. My gaming computer is currently down, and I'll do the best I can to illustrate this to you. So bear with me. It might be a little laggy. Ooh, that's loud. Anyway, hope that wasn't too loud on your ears. Now we're going to want to go to mod. It's going to take a minute for it to build here. Do 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 do. No. Come on now. I'm not going to sing for you. Okay, here we got our mods. I've already got this one in there active. It goes with it goes with this truck. I have very few mods in here because I want it to load a little faster on this slow computer. Alright, this is my little vanilla account that I call Vanilla Box. It's for testing. It's not my main account. My main account's got like 120 or so mods, and it's the one I use on my gaming machine when it's working. So bear with me here. We're going to load it up right quick. Try to see if we can't get this where you can see it. That'd be cool. Alright. And it's already on because I was messing with it earlier, I'll admit. Anyway, if you want to see that in action, let's just go to the truck dealer just so you can see how it all works. You go to the mod dealership, go select Western Star, going to select the truck, customize the configuration. We're going to go to the body style. We're going to select the Legacy Sleeper. We're going to say yes, we want to change the truck, and then we're going to slide around here where we can see it pretty good. We're not worried about engine and all that right now because I just want you all to see it. And what we're going to do is change the paint. Here's our new skin. Now, as you can see, since we put the metallic options in there, we have options. So this one is going to be, I believe, base color that we can change. I don't know. I'm not the greatest at knowing all these different things, but I think that's your flake color because it's kind of a highlight or a pearl. And then you've got this one. Not sure what, maybe that's the flake. I don't know. Anyway, I need to learn more about that stuff and what each thing does and all that because I'm not all that smart about it at the moment. But usually on my trucks, I run white, and more white. So you can see what that paint looks like on here. There's the back. It's just an abstract horse. That one came out kind of hinky because of the window. There it is on the hood. And there you go. Hope you liked the tutorial. And y'all take care. Thanks. Bye.